This is a tutorial on how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Some things you will need to know is that side pieces have two colors, and there's approximately, carry 4, I do not know. The center pieces, just note this, they never move. You might think they do. You might think, oh look, it moved. Nope, it didn't move anywhere. Note this about the side pieces also, that they do not, their colors never change. You may think they go inside and then outside and back, but no, none of that happens. One thing to know about the corner pieces, they never change either. They move, but they don't change. It will always be the 3 colors. And something to note is that white will never be on yellow, as in this. White is on blue, but there will be never a yellow right there. So, let's get started. The first thing we will need to make is the yellow daisy. The thing to do is take one of the white pieces and locate the yellow side. The yellow side is right here and the white piece is right there. It can be anywhere, as if on the side, the top, already placed here, or on the bottom. A thing that you will need to do to make the white daisy is find a white piece. I found a white piece, but note this, it has to be a side piece. As you can see, I took it from here, moved it to the side, moved it up. As you can see, it's now on the side, and moved it up. You want to have all of these covered with white. I'll do it one more time before I do it. I won't do it without commentating. Next, same thing. You move the side, move it up, and move it there again. Note this, that will never happen. This could happen. It could be on the top. You just move it to the side, and then move the center, and move it up. Note this, you usually don't have to have those white pieces, so just get rid of them. The white corner pieces, if I want to be, I do declare. So the next thing you want to do is make the white daisy, or just do it like that. Now the white daisy is done. So the next thing you want to do is find the color of the piece. In my case, the color that's closest to me is red. Now I want to pivot it to the red side. I'm in the red center. Now the thing you want to do is rotate it 2 times, so it ends up with the white piece. You want to keep doing this with all the sides. In my case, I don't have to move them. Now the white cross is solved. Just make sure that you note this. Just make sure there's no other ones in the corners. The next thing you want to do is find a white corner piece. The first thing you want to do, find the piece that's on the side, not the bottom. Most people get messed up with that. So you want to find the color of the side. In my case, it's blue. Since you want to put it here, you want to move it to the side, that side, down, down, and up. If you would like to see things more slowly, feel free to pause the video. If you have any questions, go to the comment section below and ask me, and I will respond to many people as much as I can. The next thing you do is move, if it's on the top, you want to move the part where it is down to the side and back up. Now you find the piece. Oh, it is white and blue again. Now I'll move it to the white and blue side. That's the one we just did. Move it to the side, move it down, move it to the side, and move it up. As you can see, we have a small castle built, and even the fish. But we'll see that in, let's say, approximately 4 minutes. The next thing you do, find another one. You just want to keep doing that. Move it to the side, down, side, up. I'll do the last one without talking. I want to see if you guys can do it. Now all the T's on the side are solved. As you can see, even one whole side is solved. This part can get tricky, so make sure to follow along and pause the video if you need. The first thing you do, find a side with no yellow. Make sure it's no yellow. If it has yellow, it will turn out like this. Okay? Make sure it's not yellow. The thing you do now is make sure you have one without yellow. Okay? Caution, warning, no yellow. Okay? No yellow. So now you find one. In my case, it's red and blue. You want to rotate the top layer so it's with its centerpiece. The next thing you want to do is locate it and see if the blue is on the left or right. In this case, it's on the right. The thing you want to do is rotate it to the left, with the bottom to the side, rotate the right down, and move the centerpiece in the middle, and the right back up. Now you can see we made an L, and we broke the white center. Now we need to put it back together. Thing to do, move it up to the side, center down to the side, and back up. Now it's rebuilt, and it's there too. Now I will show it one more time, and then I will do it off camera. Next, the thing you want to do, it's on, here, let me pick one that's on the opposite side. Well, there is none, but if you do want to do the opposite side, here's the thing that you do. First, I'm pretending, okay? Wait. Let's see. Okay, so let's pretend this is green and that's orange. You want to turn it to the right instead of the left. Down, up, side, up, up, and that way. And now, you want to turn and find a piece with no yellow. You want to rotate it so that it's with the centerpiece. In my case, it's on the right. You want to turn it to the left, make the bottom go down to the top. Make sure you turn the center that way. Move up. Now you have the L. To remake the L, you put that whole entire line that's solved up. Put this dot to the side. Put the center down. Move it to the side and move it back up. Now I will do the rest off camera. Let's see if you can do it. I'm just saying you do not have to pause the video on this part because I'm doing it right now. If you can hear me, that's okay. As you can see, when you are done, you will have a finalized product of that side solved and all the 2 layers solved. You can feel proud, but there's still more to do. Now you want to turn so the yellow layers up. This part gets confusing and hard to explain, so I am just going to do it and you can follow along. As you can see, I've done it and now it's different. I have the hook and most of the time you won't have the hook, so just keep doing it again and again and again. And make sure, and sometimes you can get the fish, the double-sided fish, the castle. Just keep on doing it so you get the hook. Now that I have the hook, I can do it again. As you can see, now I have the fish. The next thing to solve the fish is you want to move right up to the side, right down, up to the side, right up 2 times, and up, down. Now you can see you have the whole entire yellow part solved. And still the white side is solved too. If you ever get a side that's solved like this, rotate it to its side. And make sure it's facing back on this part. The next thing you want to do is when it's back, or if you don't have it, that is okay. So the first thing you do, right down, front to the side, right down, back 2 times, right up, front counterclockwise, right down, back 2 times, and right 2 times. Now you can see it's all converted. And if you, once again, if you ever get a side part that's solved, make sure you solve it to its corresponding side. The next thing you would want to do is make sure this side is on the back. Sometimes you won't get it. You want to figure out, think of it as a clock, and make sure if it's to the back, this part won't count for that side. It'll just go like this, or the other way. So you want to figure out if it's going clockwise or counterclockwise. Well, in my case, it's going clockwise. The thing you would need to do is just follow along. Right 2 times, up to the side, right up to the side, right down, up, counterclockwise, right down, up, counterclockwise, right down, up to the side, right down. There you go. That is how you solve a Rubik's Cube. If you ever get counterclockwise, here's the thing that I'll show you. Even though I don't have the counterclockwise right now, I'll do it, but it might be a little bit confusing, so I'm sorry. So you would want to go right up and make sure that your side is solved is on the back. You'd want to go right up, counterclockwise, right up, clockwise, right up, clockwise, right up, counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, and right 2 times. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, go to the comment section below and stay tuned for more.